Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice pronunciation of family phrases and family questions. I am going to say the word and then you have to repeat after me. Okay everyone, let's get started. Everyone, number two, family phrases. Kata-kata tentang keluarga. Okay, please follow me. This is my mother. This is my mother. Ini adalah ibu saya. Next, my mother is 50 years old. My mother is 50 years old. Ibu saya berumur 50 tahun. My mother's job is a teacher. My mother's job is a teacher. Pekerjaan ibu saya adalah seorang guru. Next, this is my father. This is my father. Ini adalah bapak saya. My father is 60 years old. My father is 60 years old. Umur bapak saya adalah 60 tahun. My father's job is an officer. My father's job is an officer. Okay, next repeat after me. I love my mother. I love my mother. Saya mencintai ibu saya. I love my father. I love my father. Saya mencintai bapak saya. I like my mother. I like my mother. Saya menyukai ibu saya. I like my father. I like my father. Saya suka bapak saya. Okay, next, repeat after me. I have one brother. I have one brother. Saya mempunyai satu saudara laki-laki. I have one sister. I have one sister. Saya mempunyai satu saudara perempuan. My brother's name is Amir. My brother's name is Amir. Nama saudara laki-laki saya adalah Amir. My sister's name is Ira. My sister's name is Ira. Nama saudara perempuan saya adalah Ira. Okay, next. Phrases. Kalimat berikutnya. I have any cousin. I have any cousin. Saya mempunyai beberapa sepupu. I have many niece and nephew. I have many niece and nephew. Saya mempunyai banyak kemenakan laki-laki dan kemenakan perempuan. I have a big family. I have a big family. Number 3. Family question. Pertanyaan tentang keluarga. Okay, I want to read and please repeat after me. What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? Siapa nama ibu Anda? What is your father's name? What is your father's name? Siapa nama bapak Anda? What is your mother's job? What is your mother's job? Apa pekerjaan ibu Anda? What is your father's job? What is your father's job? Apa pekerjaan bapak Anda? How old is your mother? How old is your mother? Berapa umur ibu Anda? How old is your father? How old is your father? Berapa umur bapak Anda? What is your mother's hobby? What is your mother's hobby? Apa hobi ibu Anda? What is your father's hobby? What is your father's hobby? Apa hobi bapak Anda? How many sister do you have? How many sister do you have? Berapa saudara perempuan Anda? How many brother do you have? How many brother do you have? Berapa saudara laki-laki Anda? How old is your brother? How old is your brother? Berapa umur saudara laki-laki Anda? How old is your sister? How old is your sister? Berapa umur saudara perempuan Anda? Okay, everyone, I think this is the end of our lesson today. I see, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much for watching and pay attention. See you later. Bye.